Hey, what's going on, guys? I want to teach you guys how to start making a minimum of 10 to 20K a month with the same exact business model that I've generated multiple seven figures online with by the age of 23. I went from dropping out of college to Ubering because that's the first thing that I knew on how to make money. I tried to apply for jobs. Everybody denied me. That might have been a sign from God to not go work a job but become an entrepreneur, but everybody was denying me. I remember I signed up for Chick-fil-A. They denied me. I signed up, and mind you, I've completed about 2 years of college at this point, so I've had an associate's degree, and I'm still getting denied for Chick-fil-A to work a minimum wage. They denied me. I applied for a job at Hilton, the hotel company. They denied me. It was one or two more other places that I applied for, and I've gotten denied from literally every single one. So the first thing that I knew how to do was start Ubering. So literally I started Ubering for 14 to 16 hours a day, living out my car, because that just, that was my situation at the time. I was living out my car. I was Ubering for 14, 16 hours a day to make money to eat, pay for my living. During this time frame, I started learning about business funding. I started learning about business credit. I started learning about how to get access to funding to be able to start or scale a business. But at that very point in time, I quickly realized that it doesn't really matter how many hours of the day I Uber or I Instacart, or I do Uber Eats or DoorDash. I would never save up like 20, 30, 40, 50K to be able to start a business that I wanted to start. So then I started doing some research. I started learning about how banks work, and I learned how to get access to no doc funding when it comes to business credit cards. We realized that most of these credit cards have 0% interest introductory period, so I utilized those credit cards to be able to start my own business. And at the time, I wanted to start an Amazon business. I wanted to start selling products on Amazon and e-commerce. But then by the time I learned the information, I felt like it was a lot more valuable to just help other people start their businesses with the information that I learned, help them get access to funding, so this way they can fund their business and start it and scale it. When I started my business funding company in the very beginning, I started making about 10K a month very, very quick. I would say after the first 60 days, I made my first 10K in a month, which is the second month that I started running the business. And I was able to do this very, very simple. So in this video, I'm going to break down the 3 things that you need to really know on how to be able to start or scale a business funding company. First thing is how the operations of the business actually works. Now, it's a very simple business model. You help somebody get access to funding, and then they pay you a 10% fee on the back end. Now, your ideal avatar and your ideal target audience is somebody who is looking for startup capital. Okay, it's not really going to be somebody that's trying to get a multi-million-dollar real estate loan. In the future, you can evolve and have other funding options, but in the beginning, we're looking for people that are looking for startup capital. All right, because the reality is those higher level individuals are not going to pay you that 10% on the back end, because that is a significantly high fee, especially when you're funding $1 million, $2 million, $3 million, $5 million plus loans. That 10% gets very big very fast. So we want to stick to people that are looking for startup capital. It's a very simple process. Plus, it's a lot easier to be able to close the deal because all they truly need is a properly built out credit profile. They don't need any financial documentation. They don't need to have a job even. They don't need any of that, right? They literally just need to have a properly built out credit profile. And if they don't have that, there's ways around now, okay? You can downsell them credit repair. Now, credit repair is another process where you can have in your back pocket, where let's say a client comes to you and they have negative accounts in their credit profile. They can come to you and you can be like, okay, well, we can do credit repair first, clean their credit, then help them build out their credit profile out. And then once their credit profile is in position to get funded, that's why it's very important that you guys learn the data points, what a properly built out credit profile looks like, what these lenders and underwriters are looking for. So once you build them out, then you go ahead and start the credit stacking process. And pretty much all that is, you're going to create the client a funding sequence, so you're going to understand which banks to go to because of your expertise and knowledge on how to properly credit stack when it comes to accessing credit cards from different lenders, and exactly what credit bureau they pull from, their qualifications, what data points that they're looking for. Because of that expertise, that is what the client is pretty much buying from you. Not only the expertise, but also the convenience where you're handling the funding sequence for them. That's kind of the operations of the business. It's called credit stacking. This same business model on the service side alone has made me multiple seven figures online by the age of 23. All right, so that's the operation side. Now, a lot of you might be asking, okay, how do I get clients for this? Well, getting clients, luckily for you, getting clients for this is very, very easy, because the truth is it's not that hard to find people who are looking for business funding. All right, I'm sure almost every single person watching this video probably has somebody in their back pocket that's looking to get access to funding to be able to start or scale their business. So it's not that hard to find clients. Plus, the margins are huge, right? Let's say you get a client funded $50,000, you take 10% fee on the back end, you already made $5K off that one client. All right, let's say a client gets funded $100,000, which is not that hard. If they have a built-out credit profile, you make 10K off of that one client. So it's very easy to have a 10K month just off of one client alone. Once I learned that, now it was about being able to get more clients, and that's when marketing comes into play. So I just explained to you guys the operation side of the business, exactly what you're pretty much doing for people. I'm gonna have more deeper breakdowns in the future on my channel on exactly how to credit stack, and I have a couple videos on there I made previously too, but exactly how to credit stack, which banks to go to, qualifications, data points to look for, how to build relationships internally with a lot of these BRMs too. That's another strategy that you can utilize. Not only are you running their applications online because of the knowledge that you have, but also you have strategic relationships inside the bank. But because of the relationship that you build with the BRM, they'll send you over a special application for your clients where you'll be able to fill it out from your end, which helps a lot for those higher limit approvals because of that trust and the loyalty that you've developed with that particular BRM. Back to the marketing side, when it comes to getting clients, as I was saying, it's very easy. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know somebody that's looking for funding, and if you don't, all right, you have social media. You can literally create content promoting your services is the first strategy that I would, and this is a very beginner level, so I don't want to overcomplicate it and teach you guys about meta ads. You guys can literally run social media ads to get more clients. There's so many other marketing strategies. This video is more so about just how to get to your first 10 to 20K a month, and just social media promotion and posting on Instagram is one great method to literally do it. That's what I was doing in the beginning. And if a client doesn't qualify for funding after you look at their credit profile, you just downsell them credit repair. So you could just charge anywhere from $500 to $997, sometimes $1497 if they want the credit repair and the credit build out package. So you fix their credit, and then on top of that, once you fix their credit, you go ahead and build them out. So you have those two options there. So not everybody's going to qualify for funding, but at least they can get their credit fixed. You have to build their credit after, and then they will go ahead and get funding, and then you will earn that 10% on the back end there. So your lifetime value of that client goes up. So just to do basic 10 to 20K a month to go ahead and get out of your job and transition into entrepreneurship, that's literally the method to be able to get more clients, just through social media alone. Facebook groups is another great one. Going into credit repair Facebook groups, so some of those credit repair companies don't have those relationships that you can develop on the funding side, so they can go ahead and refer clients over to you, and referrals spread very fast, especially when you do good business for other people. Most business owners know business owners, so they'll send you over more clients that you can fund and pretty much help their people out as well, and the business picks up very fast. Once somebody can trust you that you just got them funded, you can go ahead and tell them to make you a testimonial video. They'll make you a testimonial video, and then after that, they will go ahead and refer more clients. Most likely, that's how my business really started to grow, aside from social media promotion. Facebook groups is great, as I just mentioned. You can go ahead and promote your business in there, and clients will definitely come to you. Once you start hitting 20, 30, 40, 50K plus months, then I'll make another video on how to be able to scale to 6 to 7 figure months with social media ads. All right, ads is a completely different beast. It's a completely different game. Right now, this video is just on making 10 to 20K a month. Marketing strategy is social media promotion, Facebook group, creating testimonials, getting affiliates. That's the marketing strategy. And you know, it's not that hard to make 10K a month. One client, you fund them 100,000. It's not that hard if their credit is good. All right, and almost everybody that you know probably wants funding, and if they don't qualify, you're still making money somewhere in there with credit repair and getting them prepared for funding. All right, so one client alone could make you 10K in a month. Okay, that's the marketing side, and that's the operation side. So far I explained in the video. Now I'm going to explain to you guys the sales side. All right, as you grow and as you grow your business and you develop systems and get past that 20, 30, 40, 50K a month mark, you can actually hire sales guys that are commission based only, and you're driving that social media traffic, and you're running ads on social media where you have consistent leads coming in, where they can go ahead and close the deals for you, and then you can go ahead and fund them. But just at that 10, 20K a month mark that we're trying to hit first, you're going to be doing your own sales. It's very important that you educate yourself about credit and funding, because most people want to work with an expert, right? So they're looking for somebody that knows a lot of knowledge and information about this topic, especially when it comes to people that are looking to start up a business, right? A lot of those people don't know too much about funding. The higher level experienced people that's been in business for a long time, they know about funding. This isn't their first rodeo, so they come in a lot more educated, but the people that are just now starting up, they don't know much. So as long as you can show some authority and portray your expertise on the topic, it makes it a lot easier for you to get the sale or close the deal for you, so you can go ahead and fund them and be able to get paid on the back end. Last thing that I would do just to keep things clean and professional is you can go to DocuSign.com and literally go to ChatGPT when you're starting off and have ChatGPT make you a basic contract that shows that you're gonna get paid 10% on the back end and send that out to the client early on. So this way, making sure your clients pay you that 10% fee on the back end, and they don't just run off with the funding. Now, most people won't. I've never really dealt with that too much. Most people are pretty much a man of their word, and they're gonna pay, especially with the hopes that you're gonna get them more funding in the future. It would just be dumb not to pay you because you can go ahead and get them more funding in the future. So that's not really an issue that you would have to worry about. But if you want to, make sure things are more professional, I would definitely advise you to do that. But guys, literally this business model, it's called credit stacking. This business model has made me a lot of money, and it's very easy to literally make 10 to 20K a month and get out the rat race and jump into entrepreneurship. I don't want to make this video very long. I want to keep it short and informative. But if you want to learn more about how to start your own business funding company and how to scale it past 10 to 20K a month, I'll be hosting a free live training. So every week I host a free live training teaching you guys live on how you can start and scale your own business funding company. And also, before I teach you guys that, I also teach you guys how to access and secure your own $50,000 to $100,000 in funding, so you can use that money to be able to even fund your funding company if you want to scale to the next level when it comes to running ads, when it comes to paying for marketing, etc. Also, in the free live training, I'm going to be giving you guys a lot of bonuses, a lot of softwares that we utilize to be able to scale it faster than you would be able to without those softwares. So I'm going to be giving you guys all of that in the free live training. All you got to do is DM me on Instagram at Nick Baggs, NickBagss. DM me the word freedom. I'll send you over a link to my free live training. You can go ahead and register. I only do limited spots every single week because I want to take my time and teach the people that are live, and because I do Q&As at the end, and if it's over 100 people, it's very hard to answer everybody's questions. There is limited spots available, and there is a cutoff time, so make sure that you guys go ahead and DM me now so you can register the free live training. But other than that, guys, I'll be making a lot more videos breaking this method down on my YouTube channel. We're going more in depth with every single sector of the company, teaching you guys more in depth about actual credit and funding alone, so you can become an expert on the topic when you're selling it. The biggest thing is, guys, a lot of people teach you how to get access to the money, but not a lot of people teach you how to sell the money. So that's what I want to really be able to pour into you guys and teach you guys and give you guys that value, where you guys can not only learn how to access it, but also start your own business and start making and printing money and transition from your 9-to-5 job into entrepreneurship, just like how I did. And then as you keep going, I'm going to make more videos in the future on how to be able to scale past 6-7 figure months on my channel. But early on, I want to start off and I want to cater to the people that are literally starting from scratch. But other than that, I appreciate you guys watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.